Want your appliances to last 15 years instead of 10? Here are 10 tips from a repair tech. Tip 1. Clean your fridge coils every 6 months. This alone can add 3 to 5 years to your refrigerator's life. Tip 2. Don't overload your washer. Running oversized load stresses the motor, bearings, and suspension. Use the right load size for the setting. Tip 3. Clean the lint filter every single dryer load. Not most loads. Every load. And get the vent cleaned annually. Tip 4. Use the right detergent. He washers need he detergent. Using regular detergent creates excessive suds that damage the pump and bearings. Tip 5. Don't slam appliance doors. The door switches, latches, and hinges on washers, dryers, dishwashers, and microwaves are designed for gentle use. Tip 6. Run hot water at the kitchen sink before starting your dishwasher. This ensures it fills with hot water from the start for optimal cleaning. Tip 7. Leave your front load washer door open between loads. Prevents mold and extends gasket life. Tip 8. Level your washer and dryer. Unbalanced machines vibrate excessively and wear out components faster. Tip 9. Replace rubber washer hoses with braided stainless steel. Rubber hoses crack and can burst, causing thousands in water damage. Tip 10. Skip the self-clean cycle on ovens over 10 years old. The extreme heat stresses aging components and causes more failures than it prevents. These 10 tips cost almost nothing but save hundreds in repair bills. Maintenance tips and repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.